Greetings in the name of the Most High. Yeah, it's your boy King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, and I just brought my laptop to work today, and I'm setting some levels and planning out my week ahead. So this is how I kind of I utilize TradingView, and I set alerts with you can make little notes, so it pops up every time an alert is hit. It pops up and it tells you, I guess, if you have an idea for what could happen at this level, you could write it down, and when it pops up you could see if it correlates with what's actually happening in the market at that time. So this is the US dollar here. I'm kind of on the short buyer side of things, so if things start popping up, that'll be good for the short play, right? So I have a bunch of alerts here just kind of letting me know what's happening, is pushing up, and what I could do with that at that point in time, This is the QQQs, same thing, a bunch of alerts. If it's pushing up, I got a bunch of notes here when the alert pops off as to what I want to do, and it's at key levels, like resistance levels at these wicks and stuff like that. So I'm looking for rejection, and this here is like confirmation. All these alerts here would be confirmation of the short play and how strong it is, right? And as you can see, I normally just trade NVIDIA, sorry. I kind of just say the ticker name NVIDIA, but I always kind of trade NVIDIA because the ROI is good on NVIDIA for me. I think it's a good return on investment. You get a lot of big moves, like a whole dollar moves and stuff like that. So to me, the risk to reward is good. And it's the same thing. I have this is like a golden zone here. It's a bunch of fib lines and stuff like that. So this is like the 38% fib, 50% fib, 61% fib. And I just have a bunch of levels like set out and what I want to do at those levels. This is the futures here, NQ1, same thing, same concept, bunch of notes on the alerts. And this is the VIX. The VIX is very important in my strategy because as the VIX pushes up, I know I'm good for the short. When the VIX starts pulling back, I know it's probably time to close out my trades. So all these levels here is a bunch of levels is key levels for me, So yeah, I'm just planning out my trades and stuff for the weekend and getting ready for Monday. I'm probably gonna read a Master in Trading Psychology now by Andrew Aziz, the boss, the big man, the mentor, the critically acclaimed trader. So maybe I could learn something and not jumping in my trades so quickly, and having a little more patience, because I'm kind of struggling with that. I have the right thesis as far as I'm seeing. It's short. It's popping up at the open, and you getting the short play. The major move to me is the short play pulling back down. So I'm seeing that on the chart, but I'm catching let me go back to NVIDIA. Let me see if I could go to like a 5-minute chart. Alright, so let's see. This was right. So this was when? This was last week. Well, this was Friday. So we had the pop up, and I think I took some shorts like here when it rejected, and I got a little chopped up, like it pushed up on me and stuff like that. And then I caught like some like this, I think it was. I caught the short right here and exited somewhere around here. So I just gotta learn a little more patience in trying to let the price push up, because I'm catching FOMO, like when it's going up here and I see this wick rejection right here. I'm catching FOMO when I see this candle coming down, but it could probably, well, it's not probably, it actually pushes up on me. So I probably gotta wait like about maybe an hour and a half for it to really get up to certain levels, like not only the Camarilla levels, but like levels of resistance, like here. You see where we came back up, we retested this level right here, and then we pulled back. So yeah, I gotta kind of work on that. But actually, we had kind of like a nice bullish run up to like R4. Still pulled back into the close, so let's see what happens on Monday, you know. I'm still short bias, living that Jesse Livermore lifestyle, and let's see what happens, you know. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yedia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. You all trade safe and stay blessed.